The more complex a milled component is, the more it is KSMA. In our focus markets, automotive construction, aircraft construction, chemical and food industry, and mechanical and plant engineering, we know the requirements of these industries very well and strive for strategic partnerships with our customers. In the field of CNC machining and ECM contract manufacturing, we are for many of our customers a supplier. There is a simple reason for this. As a supplier, we need to be better at what we do than the companies that hire us. It makes sense to get us on board as early as possible. Whether batch size 1 or larger series, we can deliver and ensure that everything is right in the entire logistics chain. It has been shown that the combination of CNC machining and ECM machining is ideal for our customers. A solution from a single source. This saves ways and costs. The ECM process is the best, if not the only solution for various components. In this process, the workpiece forms the anode and the tool electrode the cathode of a DC circuit. Correctly positioned, a narrow gap remains through which electrolyte flows during machining. Precisely defined electrochemical decomposition enables ECM technology to do this, to deburr, to polish, and to create chambers in components. This is done very quickly and without changing or destroying the structure of the component. As a pioneer of ECM technology, we naturally also offer our customers the possibility of implementing the entire workflow on the customer side with our ECM mechanical engineering and plant construction. We are not satisfied until the people working on the machines are also properly trained and instructed. Our ECM jig and fixture construction repairs modernizes or replaces ECM fixtures, also from other manufacturers. You're looking for a contact for your CNC machining, ECM machining, and ECM technology? You have found him, and with him the know-how you need to get complex components safely, economically, and on time.